Morning to my sweet students of class 5th. Welcome to another class of science. So my dear students, this is my part 2 video of chapter number 14, When the Earth Shook. In my previous video, I had covered the half portion of the chapter and also told you about some of the natural calamities. Now let's begin with part 2 video, continuing with the next topics. Let me start the reading and explanation of the chapter. Help arrives. For some days after that, people from the cities kept coming to see what had happened. They came with food, medicines, and clothes. Everyone used to rush to take these things. The clothes that we got were very different. We had never worn such clothes before. So after that, help arrived. Who came for help? People from other cities with food, medicines, and clothes after the incident took place. The people of the villages, they were in need, so they used to rush for these things. The clothes were so different as they had never worn these types of clothes before. Now moving to the next stanza, people from different groups from the city helped us to put up the tents. Staying in these plastic tents in the cold winter months was very difficult. So people helped us to put up the plastic tents, but it was very difficult to stay in these plastic tents in the cold winter months. Some of these people were scientists. They tried to find out which areas have more chances of having an earthquake. People from our village talked to them many times. They had suggestions about building our houses again. Engineers and architects showed us some special designs for houses. They said that with this design, houses would not get damaged much in an earthquake. But our people were a little afraid. They thought if these people build our houses, our village will not look like our old village. So the villagers thought they would build their own houses with their help. The groups would build the village school. So for this, the people who came for help, some were scientists. Who are scientists? Who do research. They want to find out which areas have more chances of an earthquake. Village people also talked to them and they gave suggestions how to rebuild houses. For this, engineers, who are engineers who design structures, etc. And architects, who are architects who plans, designs the construction of the building. They showed special designs for making houses. They told the villagers this time houses would be designed so that it would not get damaged in an earthquake. Now the village people got afraid. They were afraid about if the houses will be rebuilt, it will not look same as before. So they decided that they will make their own houses with the help of engineers and architects, and those group would make the village school. Now next stanza. We all worked together to rebuild our village. Some people dug and brought the clay from the pond. We mixed the clay with cow dung and made large cakes. So they worked together to rebuild their houses. How they rebuilt their houses? They helped each other. Some people brought the clay by digging from the pond, and then they mixed the clay with cow dung and made the big cakes. These on one another to make the walls. We whitewashed the walls and decorated them with beautiful designs and small pieces of mirrors. We put up the thatched roof. What is thatched? The roof made up of straw. Now our house shines like a diamond in the dark night. Now these were put on one upon another to make the walls of the houses. Now what was the next work? They painted and made beautiful designs and decorated with small pieces of mirror. And also they put thatched roof. Now their houses looked so beautiful as it was shining like a diamond in the dark night. You can see a small article about the TV report on the Bhuj earthquake. Let us read. Ahmedabad, January 26, 2001. So the date was January 26, 2001. At least 1,000 people are feared dead in the earthquake that struck Gujarat this morning. Many thousands have been injured. Army Jawans have been called in to help. This earthquake struck Gujarat and thousands have been injured. And who came for help? Army Jawans. And at least 150 buildings have collapsed in the city of Ahmedabad. There are a dozen multi-storied buildings. By this evening, around 250 bodies have been removed from these buildings. From these multi-storied buildings, under that they were trapped and the bodies were removed from these buildings. It is feared that several thousand people may be still trapped. Rescue efforts are on. There is perhaps no building in the city which has developed cracks. So rescue efforts were taken. Maybe some people were trapped under the buildings and there were no buildings left which has not developed any cracks. The situation in Bhuj is even worse. People are running around in shock and panic. Within an hour of the earthquake, the fire engines had reached and started work along with the local people. Offers to help are coming from all the corners of the country and abroad. So people were in shock and they became panic as the condition was very worse. The fire engines, they have also reached within an hour and they started working. And so many offers and so many helps were coming from all the corners of the country and even from the foreign countries. Now, my dear children, I will tell you about floods. So, flood is a natural incident in which a dry area or a dry piece of land suddenly gets submerged under water. It means too much water everywhere, even around our houses. Flooding is very dangerous. The overflowing water carries objects just like houses, bridges, trees, furnitures, animals, and even people. Sometimes it takes whole cities. Now, my dear children, let me tell you about how do we measure earthquakes. Seismic waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. Now let's learn about its component. The instrument is simply a vibrating rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen or a marker is attached to the vibrating system. The pen records the seismic waves on a paper which moves under it. Now let me explain you true or false. Number 1. On 25th January 2001, an earthquake occurred in the Kutch area of Gujarat. It's false. It was 26th January 2001. So this statement is false. Number 2. Shortage of water and food can result in famine. Yeah, it's true. Number 3. Engineers show special designs of houses. Yeah, it's true. When any place earthquake occurs, special design of houses are designed by engineers. Number 4. Cement with cow dung are mixed to make walls. It falls. Clay with cow dung are mixed to make walls in the villages. Number 5. In case an earthquake occurs, Do not leave the house, it's false. When an earthquake occurs, we must leave the house immediately. Number 6. Architect makes special designs for houses. Yeah, architect are the people who makes and designs the buildings. So they make special designs for the houses. It's true. Number 7. The scientific study of earthquakes is called seismograph. It's false. So this statement is false as the scientific study of earthquakes is called seismology. Now my dear children, you can see the diagram of seismograph. Draw it neatly in your science notebooks and label it also. So this was my part 2 video. I had finished the chapter reading and explanation and also explained you true or false and the diagram of seismograph. So this was all for today. Thank you all. God bless you all.